He wasn't given a chance to depose, but that has not stopped former Telecom Minister A. Raja from making his point to the JPC. It's come in the form of a 106-page statement containing a point-by-point rebuttal. A. Raja's submission is now with Times Now.
Even as PC Chacko finds himself in the eye of a storm over the leakage of a JPC draft report, Times Now accesses A. Raja's 100-page submission in which Raja has challenged the findings of the JPC. Raja claiming he did not alter policy to benefit any applicant, going on to say he could not have continued as telecom minister if he had misled the Prime Minister. And on his behalf, the DMK has gone on the offensive.
DMK has given a privileged notice to the Honorable Speaker today. It goes without saying, we will definitely ask the removal of the chairman.
But Chacko remains unfazed and open to scrutiny.
If anybody has got a genuine grievance that there is leak of the report, they should take up it in a formal way.
Yet a political storm is brewing with the left and the BJP protesting the leak of the JPC draft report.
Please don't display any posters. No, please don't display any posters. This is not correct.
Even within the JPC, the Congress and Chacko may find themselves on slippery ground.
अगर राजा कुछ तथ्यों को दे रहा है तो उस तथ्यों को भी जेपीसी को विचार करना चाहिए. अगर इन सब पे विचार नहीं किया तो हम उस जेपीसी रिपोर्ट का विरोध करेंगे.
My demand is that if that report should be called as a full and real report, which has some meaning, Raja should be called and made to depose before the committee.
For now, the Congress seems dismissive.
कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि राजनीतिक फायदा लेने के लिए कुछ हमारे जो मित्र हैं वो कभी-कभी बयान देते हैं, तो उस चीज से, उस प्रवृत्ति से बचने की जरूरत है.
But with Chacko facing a privilege motion, the Congress may once again find itself engaged in a firefight. Bureau Report, Times Now.